Is there not any more under the sink?
I did not see any.
Okay. Okay, so on the slide, what?
These are swabs, and I would rather use these than the other ones.
Oh, that's fine.
My hair didn't really feel clean after using the other ones.
Okay. So for today, you're not going to be watching a video. You're going to be flipping through the slides. All of the directions are in the slides. So here's the first slide today. You're going to read through the artist bios on the next 3 slides, answer question 1, and we're on day 2 of the notes. Then move on to slide 5. So if I go on to the next 3, you'll read through these, and you're deciding on which artist you would like to choose to learn a little bit more about and look at a little bit more of their work. They are all surreal artists, okay? And you're going to be answering the questions then on day 2, that side of the worksheet. And then you're going to move on to slide 5. This is slide 5, and it says choose an artist to learn more about by finding examples of the vocabulary in their work. Answer the day 2 questions, pick a final, and then you're going to start a sketch. So all of this is due by the end of class today then. So if I'm going to pick Salvador Dali, I would click here. And then I go to the next slides. Okay, if I'm going to pick Lenore Fini, or Jiyoung Lee. So if I look briefly at the day 2 questions, who's best known for surrealism? You're going to get that in the first, when you're choosing your artists. One of them, the little bio indicates the answer for that. And then number 2, you're going to, which surreal artist have you chosen to look at closer? So you're just going to circle which one you want to look at more of their work. Okay. You're going to choose then one of the paintings by your chosen artist. So say I pick that I'm looking at Jiyoung Lee, then it's going to be one of the titles of one of her works here. Okay, not one of the other artists, but one of her works. And then you're going to look for an example of juxtaposition, dislocation, or transformation. And then you're going to write that example down here on C. Here, I've given you an example of what I mean. Okay, so if I'm looking at this painting by Frida Kahlo here, okay, then I could say this painting above, which is right here, okay, shows juxtaposition because it shows 2 slides of Frida Kahlo. Okay, so it's both Frida Kahlo, more traditional Mexican, and then more who she wants to be. Okay, so you would write your sentence here about the painting that you've chosen by the artist that you've chosen up here. Then you're going to look through the surreal choices and either begin a sketch here or continue working on a sketch if you started one yesterday.